Welcome back to Deluxe Detail. Today we're ceramic coating a Ferrari Testarossa. So the decontamination wash is complete. Now it's time to inspect the paint and move into the paint correction stage. So we've just finished the intense paint correction on the Testarossa. We had to up it from a 2-stage to a 3-stage to make sure that we removed all the hazing that we put into the soft black paint and get a finish that we were super happy with. And now we're going to go ahead and coat it with Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra. Done.
We're sorted. That was a hard day at the office, but the Testarossa is packed up and on the back of a truck now.
Took a lot more paint correction than we thought it would have.
We, I think, underestimated a little bit, but we've had really good results for a, let's call it, almost 30-year-old car.
That's the thing. It's had some resprays done around it.
Yeah.
You know, it's got some deeper scratches and stuff like that, but we actually did really well, even though we had to up it to like almost like a 3.5 stage paint correction. I reckon, you know, we're up over like, honestly, like 95% of the defects. Like we got a lot of stuff out of that.
So, it looks like a machine again. It's had a life, but it's ready to have another one now. So fun times ahead.
So guys, thanks for watching. What do you guys think of the Testarossa? Would it be one of the classic Ferraris that you would choose?
What would you have?
Man, they're pretty sick. An F40 would be nice.
An F40 would be nice. I mean, I've got a soft spot for 360s. I think they're just like classic Ferrari.
But you gotta love those fins on the Testarossa.
Yeah,
There's just, it's
100%.
got some aggression to it that just looks amazing.
Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, leave any comments in the bottom, and stay tuned.
Peace.